Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to get into how I clean my makeup brushes, which everybody hates to do, but y'all know we got to clean our makeup brushes. So the first thing I'm going to grab is a cup. You can use a cup, a bowl, whatever you want to use, something plastic, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to grab my micellar water, and this is the L'Oreal brand, but you can use any brand of micellar water that you would like to use. Alright, so I'm just going to take a little tiny bit and pour it into the cup. I don't need a lot, I just use a little tiny bit. And I'm going to take my brush and just stick it in there and just kind of spin it around. I'm not sure if y'all have seen if you ever seen the videos on YouTube with the little washing machines for makeup brushes. That's like my whole idea of spinning it around versus just sticking it in there and letting it sit. I just try to keep spinning it because typically that's how a wash machine wash, so I figure if I do it with my brushes it would get cleaner, easier, and faster. After I spin my brushes around, I just sit them on the edge of the sink. That way when they drip, they can drip into the sink.
Try to keep from drowning from this world I'm found in. Gotta get out of my head this time. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control. Just lose control.
Listen.
Alright, so of course our liquid is going to get muddy. So once our liquid gets muddy, I'm just going to pour it out into the sink and rinse our cup out and just pour a little bit more of the micellar water in and continue with the rest of my brushes.
I could say I'm all in just to keep from falling. I don't wanna lose my mind, but I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I might be wrong. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control.
Alright, so with the bigger brushes, you're going to see that the brush absorbs all the liquid, so you might need to use a tad bit more of micellar water so that you're able to spin your brush in the cup. Alright, so once I spun all of the brushes in my cup, I'm going to go in with soap, and I'm going to just use a regular hand soap because I like the way the soap smells, but you can use any soap that you like. And I'm going to grab a towel, lay this out on the side of the sink because this is what I'm going to use to dry my brushes. And then I'm going to just dispense some soap into my hand and take my brush and swirl it around in my hand with a little bit of water. And honestly, prior to using the micellar water, I would do this under the sink with my brushes and it would take me like 10 minutes, on each brush just to get it clean. But I guess since the micellar water breaks down the makeup, literally it takes me 5 seconds now just to spin it under the water for a few seconds and then dry it, and it made my life 10 times easier.
It's the same old story. Nothing in life's for free. I've been living in the dark too long, but I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I might be wrong. I just wanna live and let go.
Alright, so now we're done. We're at the end, and it literally took me 5 minutes just to clean these brushes, but I have a lot more to go. But I just wanted to show you guys my process on how I get my brushes clean. You can see my bristles are back white because prior to this they were brown. And honestly, I don't clean my brushes as often as I should, so these brushes were caked with makeup. So I got them down to the white color, which made me happy. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave me comments down below and let me know how you clean your brushes or if you try this method. And I will catch you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace. Bye.